Hi there, students. Seamy, an adjective, and I guess seaminess, the noun. Seemingly, you could, but I don't think it's very common. Okay, if something is seamy, you describe something as seamy, it's unpleasant because it's connected with dishonesty, with violence, with illegal sex, with corruption. So the seamy side of life. Yeah, this book gives an insight into the seamier side of life in London. So seamy, sordid, squalid, corrupt. Yeah, rather unpleasant. Base. Yeah, so the club was extremely seamy and there were some rather dodgy characters therein. Yeah, so low, corrupt, degraded, yeah, disagreeable. This district is rather seamy, and clearly there are dishonest things going on. Yeah, it's rather sleazy, seedy, disreputable, low. Yeah, so the minister has been involved in another seamy scandal, sordid and disreputable. He seems like a rather seamy individual. I wouldn't have anything to do with him. Yeah, degraded, unpleasant. So, seamier. This is definitely a rather seamy place. So it's involved, Seamy says it's something that involves the unpleasant aspects of life. Yeah, violence, crime, drugs, prostitution, things like that. So yeah, in the past Soho used to be a much seamier district, but nowadays not at all. Yeah, okay, so seamy, from a seam. A seam is where two pieces of cloth or two things join together. You probably can't see it, but the seam here, there's a seam where the two pieces of textile join, and that's a seam. But the an old-fashioned meaning of seam was something that was sordid, squalid, corrupt. Yeah. Well, we'll continue with the origin. So that comes from Proto-Germanic salmaz, something that is sown. Yeah. Okay. So seamy. Yeah. This will give you an insight into the seamier side of life, the seamy things that go on inside our parliament. Yeah. The underworld, I guess the seam, because normally a seam goes inside, so it's the inside thing. Yeah. Yeah, so, well, maybe living in a rather seamy district can actually be quite fun, because it can be quite interesting. Okay, so seamy. What about formality? I think I'm going to give it a 6 in formality. I think you could just about use it informally, but corrupt, low, vile, something like that informally. Use it in a semi-formal conversation, semi-formal writing without any problem, and in something very formal as well. Yeah, he's a rather seamy individual. I wouldn't trust him at all. Yeah. Okay, just because the area is seamy, it doesn't mean it has to be dirty. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. See me.